What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel for another video. Today, wow, this lighting's bad. Let me get into here we go. Today we're gonna talk about why diet is so important just in general. I just want to talk about it just in general. So here's the thing. If you don't worry about your diet, right, and you go to the gym, because I think a lot of people will question, okay, I want to start and I want to start out slow. Should I start out with the gym? Should I start out with the diet? And honestly, I get this question a lot at the gym as well. So here's the answer. Of course, both are very important. Without one, the other doesn't work, blah, blah, blah. But here's the thing. If you go to the gym and you come home and you eat McDonald's or Burger King or the standard American diet, which don't lie to yourself. Come on now. Even if your wife's cooking, I know it's not that good for you. If you're doing that, then chances are nothing you do in the gym is really gonna help, because the way that food is always explained to myself and people explain it in the fitness community is food is the building blocks. You know, it's like if you're building a house, you need materials, right? So same thing. You need the building blocks. The building blocks in this case is food. If your body doesn't have food, you literally can't create muscle, right? You could burn fat, but then back to the diet thing, if you're not on a diet and you burn fat, you're gonna gain it right back. So I just wanted to make that note that, you know, it's very important. Diet has to come first and then everything else. So when you're starting out, even if you don't go to the gym, you don't belong to a gym, try yourself, test yourself with the diet. Just all you have to do is keep doing what you're doing, log everything, right? That's week 1. Week 2, change everything you're eating out with healthy stuff. So add up all your calories that you normally eat in week 1. Just eat normal. Don't even be health conscious, nothing. Week 2, take your total calorie numbers, like just average it per day, and then use that number, work backwards, use my macro video if you're confused, work backwards, figure out your macros, and replace those foods with healthy foods, and you'll see a result. But the important part, what I'm trying to say here is you want to start with the diet. You want to start that way, because if you don't, your body has nothing to work with. And if you go to the gym, your body just has nothing to work with. So if you don't want to go to the gym yet, that's fine. I'm actually telling you, don't go to the gym yet. If you're brand new, start with the diet, get used to the diet, spend 3-4 weeks loving the diet, and then once you form the habit of the diet and it's no longer an issue, get into the gym and you'll see results. Because if you do it the other way around, like I explained, you just won't see results. You just won't. And honestly, guys, not a very long video tonight, I know. I just wanted to touch on it because I was thinking about it, and recently, I would say within the last month, I actually had someone approach me and he said, hey, I'm doing everything right. I think, you know, I've reached kind of a plateau with my diet. And I asked him, hey, what are you doing? And it turned out that he was doing the same thing for so long, his body got used to it, and I explained the whole macros and everything to him. The sad part is a lot of people, they won't take advice. They like to talk about things and then they don't like to do it. And that's something that I've realized, you know, just workouts, diets. Like, I've had so many people come up to me and they want to work out with me, and I'm cool with it. Like, hey, let's work out. But I have a set workout that I do, so you have to work with me because I'm not, you know what I mean? Whatever. Not trying to be rude. I always tell them, not trying to be rude, just, you know, I have my workout. If you want to work out with me, you can, but we're doing my workout. And that will last a maximum of 3 days until I hear like, sorry man, running late, or, you know, basically what it is it's too hard, it's too much, it's too tough, they don't like the movements, they this, they that, they have excuses. And I haven't had a training partner in a very long time, probably 2-3 years, because people just, they want to talk the talk, and then when it comes time to walk the walk, they don't want to do it. Same thing, I've had people ask me to make them diet plans, and I used to waste my time making people diet plans, and what do? They rip it up and throw it away. Or not literally, they just don't use it. And it's like, why did I do that for you? You know what I mean? So I guess a small lesson, just as I'm thinking here to you guys, anyone that gets approached like that, honestly, I've realized just, it kind of sucks. Don't be mean, but like just be firm. Like I was supposed to work out with someone the other day and they didn't show up. Or actually, a better example, 2 weeks ago, a guy was like, hey man, I want to work out with you. I see you working out hard. I want to work out with someone like that. I said, awesome. I hit him up the next week and never heard from him again. And I used to give people like that second chances. Now I see him in the gym, I wave, we're cool, everything's cool, but you don't get another chance. You track me down if you want. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not even gonna tell you when I work out. If I show up and you wanna work out, and it's kind of gotta be that way. Because I used to give people, I used to give them plenty of chances, and they just, for whatever reason, didn't take advantage of it. They wouldn't work out with me. Like, there's always an excuse. They'd be late, and if you throw off my workout, it's like, that's so frustrating. You know what I mean? That's one of the most frustrating things ever. Same thing with diets. If you're gonna make them, even if you make them for friends, I know it sucks to charge friends money, but if you just charge them like $20 or $30, number one, you're getting at least paid for your time, okay? And then number two, if they don't use it, it doesn't hurt you. But also, if they pay for it, they're more likely to use it. You know what I mean? And that's also something I learned that kind of sucks, but it also provides a barrier, because one guy asked me for a diet, a buddy of mine too, and I said, listen man, it's gonna take me a few hours and I'm gonna really spend my time on this. It'd be $100. And that was enough for him to say, never mind. And in that case, that's okay, because I didn't waste my time and he didn't waste his. So just some ideas, some things to keep in mind. You know, when you guys are in the gym and stuff and you get approached and you want to help people, these are just some things I've learned over the years. You know, it sucks, and I'm not trying to be mean to people, but you're happier overall because you're not wasting your time making diets or workouts. I'm sure some of you have experienced these types of things, but nothing crazy going on tonight, guys. Just a small note, you know, just a couple things on my mind about the diet, and then like training friends and giving diet plans to friends. Nothing crazy, but thank you guys so much for watching. Smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you made it this far, or if you have a question for me. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new upcoming content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.